Hey guys, Josh Doyle, Innisfil Fire Training Division. Today we're going to look at our ice water rescue rope system. So some things we've made a bit of a change with. We just want to go through how we're going to set up the rope system when we deal with Rescue 1 or Rescue 2. So when we get on scene of a call for a possible ice water or water rescue, the idea is that when we get on scene, the driver and the incident commander or the officer is generally going to make patient contact, grabbing a PFD, going down the shoreline, and trying to talk the person out, reach them if possible, use a throw bag and try and get them to self-rescue or pull them out. When we're doing that, if we're going to be doing a go rescue, we'll have our two firefighters on the back of the truck. They're going to get dressed. They're going to put their ice Mustang suits on in the station if possible. If not, when they get to the scene, they're going to get dressed and then they're going to come out here. So today I have Rescue 1 is Firefighter Bly, and then we have Firefighter Arnold as Rescue 2. So because we have to have a backup team, the idea is that Rescue 1 is going to be the initial go rescue person that's going to go out on the ice or in that hot zone to go get that victim. What's going to happen is they're going to be equipped with the Marsar ring, right? This ring here is what we're going to use to get the actual victim. They have their Mustang Ice Water Rescue suit with their Swiftwater PFD with the knife, the whistle, the helmet, all that stuff, right? So the idea is that when we hook them up to our rope system, we're going to pull the rope out of the bag. Rescue 1 is going to go on the very end of the rope. Okay? Turn around please, sir. I'm going to clip that carabiner into the D-ring on the back of his vest, or his PFD. Now he's ready to go. About 10 to 12 feet down the line, we have an Alpine butterfly. It'll be pre-tied in the rope system. That will go to the Marsar ring. So what's going to happen is, now this rope will be with the shore-based crew, right? The IC or the captain, whoever else is there to help out. And what's going to happen is this person is now going to be the person that's going to rescue the victim. The idea behind it is that when they get to the victim, when we go to pull that rope out, the first thing that's going to come out is the ring with the victim, which they can help assist onto that ice shelf if needed. And then from there, we'll have Rescue 1 going out. So Rescue 1, just move up ahead a bit. Okay, stop there for a second, please. So in order to make things easy for ourselves and Rescue 2, the idea is that we don't want to commit Rescue 2 to one spot on the line. And the reason is because at this point, they're still the actual backup team for Rescue 1. So if Rescue 1's in trouble, if they're on this line at a pre-tied spot, they can't actually go and access Rescue 1. So the idea is that what we're going to do, we'll take this section of rope. It's pre-tied, as you can see. We put one into the D-ring of Rescue 2. The other carabiner goes on the main line, the main hauling line, and now Rescue 2 can traverse up and down the line. They can help with pulling the rope or the rescue ring, and now if there's a problem, they can access it. So now, Rescue 1 is going to go to our victim, who our victim here is Firefighter Gibbons, who is playing a great patient, or a great victim today. So, Firefighter Bly comes up, he drops the rope in his right hand, he takes his dominant hand, he's going to grab the same hand, so right to right, left to left, puts the Marsar ring over the patient, okay, under both of the arms. He's going to lift the front of it up and take that Velcro strap and wrap it all the way around as tight as he can get it, okay? Just as snug as you can get it, right? At this point, victim should be pretty much good to go. What's the signal for pulling the rope in? Tap on the head. At that point, our shore rescue is going to start pulling. You have the person try to hold on, and if you need to help them, you can help lift them up on an ice shelf. Just stop there for a second, guys. Let's say at this point we have our victim is on the ice, we're kind of good to go. Rescue 1 gets caught up in some ice chunks on the actual shore there, or in the actual water there. Rescue 2, if they're needed, they come down. They can traverse that line. They're still tethered off technically for safety, right? The idea is he leaves that, he can come down and help out Rescue 1. Good to go. So that's our backup team, right? As soon as that's good to go, Rescue 2 goes back up the line, helps with pulling the patient out or any other stuff needed, all right? So again, a bit of a change from the system we had prior, but this is just to clarify what we're doing now. We will have some diagrams and some other documentation that will be released for everyone to see. If you have any questions, please contact Training Division, all right? Thanks so much for your time.